Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly special, refreshing your farmhouse bedroom with lighter textiles as we transition from deep winter into those first hints of spring. If you've been craving a breath of fresh air in your home, this is the perfect moment to embrace softer fabrics, airier layers, and that effortless farmhouse charm we all adore. Before we begin this cozy journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready for a refresh, and drop a comment below sharing which room you're most excited to transform this season. Let's start where every guest's journey begins, your farmhouse facade. Late winter is the perfect time to lighten up your exterior with subtle touches that whisper rather than shout. Consider swapping heavy wreaths for ones made with dried lavender, eucalyptus, or bleached wheat stalks tied with linen ribbon. Your front door deserves a fresh coat of paint in soft grayish or warm cream tones that complement the natural wood and stone textures typical of farmhouse architecture. Add a vintage wooden ladder leaning casually against the porch, draped with a lightweight throw or displaying potted herbs. These thoughtful details create that welcoming, lived-in aesthetic that makes farmhouse design so irresistible and inviting to everyone who approaches. Your entryway is the handshake of your home, so let's make it count with lighter textiles that welcome without overwhelming. Replace heavy winter doormats with woven jute or sisal options topped with cream canvas runners. Hang lightweight linen jackets and cotton scarves on rustic hooks or a vintage coat rack. Think less bulk, more breathing room. Place a weathered wooden bench with linen cushions in soft chambray or natural oatmeal tones for comfortable seating. Add a distressed mirror above a narrow console table, where keys find their home in a ceramic dish. A galvanized metal basket corrals shoes stylishly, while maintaining that effortlessly organized farmhouse aesthetic we're known for creating. Transform your living room into a late winter sanctuary by embracing the art of layering lighter textiles. Start by replacing heavy velvet or wool throw pillows with ones featuring linen, cotton, or lightweight muslin in softer hues. Think ivory, soft gray, and barely there blue. Drape a chunky knit throw in natural cotton over your sofa's arm rather than spreading it fully, creating that casually styled look. Swap thick curtains for gauzy linen panels that filter light beautifully while maintaining privacy. This technique, called transitional layering, allows you to keep warmth where needed while introducing airiness. Your space will feel instantly refreshed, breathing new life into familiar surroundings without requiring a complete overhaul or significant investment. Your coffee table deserves a late winter refresh that celebrates lighter textiles and organic elements. Create a foundation with a loosely woven table runner in natural linen or bleached cotton, letting the edges drape casually over the sides. Layer a vintage wooden tray holding white ceramic vessels, perhaps a pitcher filled with dried cotton stems or pussy willows. Add a stack of design books wrapped with twine, topped with a small bundle of eucalyptus. Incorporate texture through a chunky knit coaster set in cream or a linen-wrapped candle. This approach to casual curation, an intentional yet effortless styling technique, creates visual interest while maintaining that relaxed farmhouse sensibility that never feels overly designed or precious. Let your dining room embrace late winter's softer side through natural fiber textiles that elevate everyday meals. Replace darker table linens with lighter alternatives. Consider a stone-washed linen tablecloth in oatmeal or soft gray that drapes beautifully and ages gracefully with use. Layer linen napkins in complementary neutrals, tied simply with jute twine and a sprig of dried rosemary. Your farmhouse table's natural wood grain should peek through, so avoid overly ornate coverings. Add texture with woven placemats underneath simple white stoneware. A centerpiece of wheat stalks in a galvanized pitcher or white ceramic vase keeps things fresh and seasonal. This understated approach celebrates the beauty of natural materials without competing with conversation or the food itself. The farmhouse kitchen thrives on functional beauty, and lighter textiles make daily tasks feel more pleasant as winter wanes. Swap heavy potholders for lighter cotton versions in classic stripes or subtle checks. Blue and white ticking fabric is timeless here. Hang crisp linen tea towels on open shelving or a vintage ladder rack, creating both decoration and practicality. Near your coffee station, place a small cotton runner protecting countertops while adding softness. Cover your stand mixer with a lightweight slipcover when not in use. Consider cafe curtains and natural cotton for your window above the sink, filtering light while maintaining that cozy farmhouse feeling. These small textile swaps refresh your kitchen's energy without compromising the hardworking heart of your home. Create visual continuity in your kitchen by coordinating lighter textiles with your existing cabinetry and appliances. If your cabinets feature painted finishes in white or cream, introduce textiles with subtle patterns, perhaps a small geometric or grain sack stripe, to add interest without overwhelming. For natural wood cabinets, opt for solid-colored linens in complementary neutrals that let the wood grain star. Near your refrigerator, hang a cotton market bag for storing produce, combining function with farmhouse charm. Your vintage-inspired stove area benefits from a simple linen balance, while the coffee machine corner becomes more inviting with a small woven basket holding filters and supplies. This textural coordination technique ensures cohesiveness throughout your kitchen's design story. Your farmhouse family room should be the epitome of comfortable living, and lighter textiles help achieve that perfect balance as seasons shift. Refresh the space around your flat-screen TV by draping a lightweight cotton throw over your favorite armchair, inviting impromptu movie marathons. Replace heavy curtains with bamboo shades layered with sheer linen panels, offering flexibility for brightness control. Add floor cushions covered in durable canvas or duck cloth for extra seating during gatherings. Consider a lighter-weight area rug in natural jute or sisal that grounds the space without visual heaviness. Your existing furniture doesn't need replacing. Simply introducing these textile swaps creates what designers call seasonal fluidity, allowing your room to evolve gracefully with nature's rhythms outside. Transform your home office corner into an inspiring workspace through thoughtful textile choices that promote productivity and peace. Begin with a linen desk mat in natural tones, protecting surfaces while adding sophisticated texture. Replace your office chair cushion with a lighter cotton or linen option that breathes better as temperatures gradually rise. Hang a lightweight fabric organizer on the wall for supplies, choosing chambray or ticking stripe for visual interest. Near your vintage radio, place a small cotton doily or linen coaster protecting surfaces from your morning coffee. Your unique desk clock sits beautifully atop a small linen square. Window treatments should be lighter now. Consider Roman shades in natural fabric that filter light without darkening your creative space. These adjustments support focused work while maintaining farmhouse warmth. Carve out a cozy reading nook that celebrates late winter's quieter moments through layers of inviting, lighter textiles. Start with a comfortable chair dressed in a linen slipcover or simply adorned with cotton throw pillows in varying sizes and complementary neutral tones. Drape a lightweight throw, perhaps waffle weave or loose-knit cotton, over the arm, ready for those still chilly evenings. Add a small side table covered with a vintage linen napkin under your reading lamp and teacup. Consider a small footstool upholstered in natural canvas or denim. Nearby, a woven basket holds your current book collection, lined with soft cotton fabric. This creates what we call a textile cocoon, surrounding yourself with comfortable, natural fabrics that encourage hours of peaceful reading and reflection. Now we arrive at the heart of today's focus, your farmhouse bedroom refresh with lighter textiles. Begin by reassessing your bed's foundation. Swapping heavy flannel sheets for crisp cotton percale or soft jersey knit in white, cream, or soft gray. This doesn't mean sacrificing warmth. Instead, we're embracing the art of layering multiple lighter weight blankets and coverlets that can be adjusted for comfort. Add a cotton matelass coverlet or lightweight quilt in natural linen as your top layer, creating texture and visual interest. Your bed becomes a cloud of inviting softness that's easier to make daily and more breathable as temperatures fluctuate. This approach to progressive layering is a designer favorite for transitional seasons. Elevate your bedroom's visual appeal through strategic pillow arrangements using lighter textiles and farmhouse sensibility. Start with sleeping pillows encased in pure linen pillowcases. Their natural texture and wrinkle-prone character add authenticity. Layer in Euro shams filled with cotton batting, covered in ticking stripe or grain sack fabric for that agricultural heritage nod. Add smaller accent pillows in varying textures, a cable knit cotton cushion, a simple ruffled linen square, perhaps one in soft chambray. If your headboard is wood, consider draping a vintage quilt casually across the top corner. For upholstered headboards, a lightweight throw in complementary tones adds dimension. This textural storytelling technique creates depth and interest while maintaining cohesion through your neutral palette. Your bedroom windows deserve treatments that honor late winter's increasing daylight while maintaining privacy and softness. Replace heavy blackout curtains with layered solutions. Start with lightweight linen curtains in natural or white, adding bamboo or matchstick shades underneath for light control. This combination offers flexibility throughout the day while maintaining that airy farmhouse aesthetic. Consider curtain tiebacks made from jute rope or vintage fabric strips, allowing panels to drape gracefully when opened. For a truly authentic touch, vintage grain sacks can be fashioned into unique cafe curtains for smaller windows. The key is choosing natural fibers that filter light beautifully, creating what designers call ambient luminosity, that soft, diffused glow that makes bedrooms feel especially peaceful and restorative. Complete your bedroom refresh by attending to those smaller textile details that collectively transform the space. Place a vintage rag rug or cotton durry beside your bed, offering a soft landing for morning feet without the visual weight of heavier options. Drape a lightweight throw blanket over a ladder leaning in the corner, combining storage with decoration. On your dresser, use linen runners or vintage doilies, protecting surfaces under lamps and treasured objects. Add a fabric-lined basket for storing extra blankets, choosing natural woven materials with cotton liner. Your closet door might host a hanging fabric organizer in canvas or ticking stripe. These thoughtful touches demonstrate understanding of holistic design, considering every element's contribution to your room's overall atmosphere and functionality without overwhelming the senses. Extend your lighter textile refresh into the bathroom, creating a spa-like retreat that honors farmhouse simplicity. Replace heavy bath towels with lighter Turkish cotton or linen versions in white, cream, or soft gray. They dry faster and feel luxuriously different against skin. Near your shower, hang a cotton waffle weave robe on a vintage hook. Your waist-to-fill area benefits from a small linen hand towel displayed on a rustic wooden holder or vintage towel ring. Add a cotton bath mat in natural tones, perhaps with subtle texture through a honeycomb weave. Consider a lightweight fabric shower curtain in natural linen or simple white cotton, paired with a clear liner. A small woven basket lined with cotton fabric holds rolled washcloths. These changes create what designers call tactile luxury, elevating daily routines through quality natural materials. Even your farmhouse garage deserves attention in this seasonal refresh, using lighter textiles to organize and soften this hardworking space. Install canvas tool organizers on walls, replacing plastic options with natural fabric alternatives that age beautifully. Heavy-duty cotton drop cloths protect vehicles or workbenches while maintaining that farmhouse aesthetic even in utilitarian spaces. Create storage solutions using vintage grain sacks or sturdy canvas bags for seasonal items, gardening supplies, or sports equipment. A cotton rag rug near the entry door from house to garage adds warmth and wipes feet effectively. Consider lightweight cotton covers for stored furniture or seasonal decorations. This approach, Bringing farmhouse design principles into every corner of your home demonstrates commitment to cohesive living that honors both beauty and function throughout your entire property. As late winter hints at spring's arrival, prepare your farmhouse patio with lighter textiles that welcome outdoor living's gradual return. Start by refreshing outdoor cushions with lighter weight covers in fade-resistant outdoor fabric, choosing natural tones that complement your home's exterior. Drape lightweight cotton throws over patio chairs for cooler evenings, easily brought inside when not needed. Consider outdoor curtains in weather-resistant linen look fabric, creating privacy and romance while filtering late afternoon sun. Add outdoor pillows in stripes or subtle patterns that reference traditional farmhouse textiles. A cotton hammock strung between posts invites afternoon relaxation. Place a woven outdoor rug defining your seating area, choosing natural jute or synthetic options mimicking natural fibers. These preparations embrace anticipatory design, setting intentions for the lifestyle you'll soon enjoy as weather warms. Let's discuss caring for these beautiful lighter textiles so they remain fresh throughout late winter and beyond. Natural fabrics like linen and cotton actually improve with age and washing, developing that coveted soft, lived-in quality. Wash items in cold water with gentle, plant-based detergents, avoiding harsh chemicals that deteriorate fibers. Line drying when possible preserves fabric integrity and adds subtle, sun-bleached character. Very farmhouse. For items prone to wrinkling, embrace the natural texture rather than fighting it. This relaxed elegance is integral to authentic farmhouse style. Rotate textiles seasonally, storing off-season items in breathable cotton bags rather than plastic, preventing mustiness. Spot clean when possible to extend time between full washes. This mindful approach to textile stewardship ensures your investment lasts for years while developing that beautiful patina we treasure. We've journeyed through your entire farmhouse home today, refreshing each space with lighter textiles that honor late winter's transitional nature. The beauty of this approach lies in its accessibility. You don't need to renovate or purchase entirely new furniture. Simply swapping textiles creates dramatic transformation while respecting your existing pieces and budget. Remember, farmhouse design celebrates imperfection, natural materials, and comfortable living above all else. Your home should tell your family's story, not look like a magazine spread that's unapproachable. Trust your instincts. Choose natural fibers you love touching, and layer gradually until spaces feel right. If you found inspiration in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your regular dose of design inspiration. Share in the comments which room you'll refresh first. I read every single one and love hearing from this amazing community. Until next time, happy designing, friends.